Dear all, Manisha Patel, HM from Karnataka, Coorg, Kudagu, right?
Yes.
Kudagu. She has got direct PhD after BTech, and she took classes in Concept Library. She joined very late, but after COVID, she is the first student who studied with me live with me, and we prepared together for GATE and then interview also. So I will ask Manisha to share her experiences. Right now we are sitting in the same place where me and Manisha used to prepare for interview. She has qualified IIT Bombay interview, and this is very good opportunity for her. And this has happened only because of sacrifices she has made and her parents' blessings and their sacrifices. So very big congratulations and big namaste to Manisha's parents and family. So thank you, Uncle Auntie, for doing all these things to Manisha, and thank you, Manisha, for joining me.
So I should be the one who should be thanking.
Okay, so I'll ask one by one. It's all important questions, whatever Manisha can reply. So I have nothing written and no plans. We have coffee. This coffee is also from Coorg, Manisha's place. She has some coffee assets, right? State. Estate. So my first question, Manisha, how did you find me? And also at that story, saving number. And then during your GATE preparation, what was your experience?
Yeah.
No, continue.
Okay. Sir, actually, first I found you from YouTube while I was actually preparing for third semester. I got the motivation somewhere just randomly to prepare based on a series you had made. There was one series like why you should do GATE Aerospace, like I think Mono Act, where you had done 2 episodes saying that. Okay, I was like, okay, I'll also prepare, and I had noted down your number. Then I thought, okay, the coaching and all would cost some money, so I thought already college itself costing me so much, and projects are also nearby, I'll do the self-study. But third year I lost motivation in 2 days, and after that I didn't prepare, I just randomly wrote because friends were writing. But fourth year at the last moment I filled the form and I wrote, and I just qualified, not with a very great marks. And with that qualification I came here. I came to IIT Dharwad as an intern first for 2 months. My plan was to stay only for 2 months because I had other plans to go somewhere else, but which didn't work out, which is another story. And later I found you. Well, I still remember when Kirti sir was introducing that these are my students, I was like literally wondering, like, who is this person? I have seen him somewhere. Then after the meeting when I asked you, then I just thought, okay, I have written the number in back of my notes. I should have contacted.
Just one moment. What she's trying to say, first thing, why this interview is being possible? Because she is here only in my campus, IIT Dharwad, and in my lab she joined as an intern after her BTech. She qualified GATE exam, and with that rank and all the achievements, she became intern here after her BTech. That time she didn't get the degree from college. She was about to get the degree, and after 2 months of BTech, then again she applied here itself for the JRF vacancy after BTech, and she joined our same lab. So she is actually explaining the first day when me and my other mates were sitting with my guide, Professor Kirti MC. So that time so we had she was sitting there and professor was guiding us. Then when I came out, then she said, like, sir, I have seen you somewhere, YouTube or something. That time she said that, sir, I have already noted down your number, but later because of some money problem, something. And now you see this, like, what is the harmony given by the nature? She was here for intern, then she joined here, she became JRF here, and after that she worked as a JRF also, and in free time she studied in live class every day 1 hour. We used to have live class. She studied there also, and she decided, because she was already involved into JRF work, and she used to work with me also in my MS project and all. She did a lot of hard work, and after that she found time for GATE preparation also. And after GATE preparation, Feb month, constantly she and me both, we were applying here and there for PhD admissions also. So this is the place where we used to, in free time, she used to ask doubts. I used to take her help for all these things. So it was a good time. Manisha, from which college you are?
I'm from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore.
Dayanand College of Engineering, Bangalore. And so this was the story how she found me here. So now subjective questions I'll ask. So during your GATE preparation, in which direction you decided to do your PhD? And also, she was not interested to do master degree. She never applied for master in any IIT after GATE. She directly applied to PhD, and fortunately, because of her very good interview at IIT Bombay, she got seat today at IIT Bombay. So this night we are shooting this interview. So my question is, which subject, in which direction you got interest?
For PhD or for like GATE?
For PhD.
Okay. For PhD, my main motivation was like me joining this IIT Dharwad, because as soon as I joined, seeing you being one of my senior and my other senior who were involved in research, so I got more and more interest towards research. PhD was not my near future plan. It was like I may do in future kind of plan. And after coming here, I got to know even with the BTech degree itself, I can directly apply for PhD based on your suggestions. And I think one of your student also had got a direct PhD during that time. So I got an idea that I can also try this.
Yes, guys, Nikita got PhD in IIT Madras, and because me and Nikita, we are not together, so I could not take her interview. And online तो possible हो ही नहीं पाता, उससे टाइम मांगो तो उसके पास टाइम नहीं रहता है, जब वो फ्री रहती है तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं रहता है. So because of lack of time, almost 100+ interviews are in pending. And people, when they join me, you can see my coaching YouTube and all is still underrated channel, but it's okay, slowly it will grow. Yes, Manisha, so continue.
Yes, sir. That was the main motivation for me doing PhD, because I also liked research atmosphere in this IIT. So I thought I'll apply further and do more research.
So now I'm going into more detail in the question. Okay. Aircraft propulsion or structure or flight mechanics or aerodynamics? Which one is your taste?
Okay. So my taste is mainly aerodynamics, gas dynamics, these parts, because here also I'm working in that same field, working along with you, where your project also involves compressible flows, everything. The main reason I joined your coaching, more than GATE preparation, it was to fix my fundamentals. Studying from... Okay.
One more thing. This coffee is from Coorg, her own home. So big thank you for Uncle Auntie for sending extra coffee for me, for our lab. We are enjoying like anything this coffee. And even if Manisha is not here, we want this coffee.
Sure, sir. Every year.
Okay, continue.
Okay. I joined your coaching to fix my fundamentals, because since I joined here as JRF and my work involved in shock waves and all compressible flows, I thought if I join, then I may fix my fundamentals. Then after joining, seeing your students and your inspiration every day in groups, sending messages that you should qualify, give good results, that actually motivated me to prepare actually for GATE. After that, time had almost passed, like the last in December month, where the IIT was actually having holiday. During that time I got lot of time, and my supervisor is also like extremely lenient and he was very supportive. I have told him that I'm preparing for GATE and he even supported. He didn't burden me with much work. He knew I was working a bit, so he was okay with that. So yeah.
She's talking about my guide, Professor Kirti MC.
Yeah, so with everyone's support and senior support, I could able to prepare for GATE.
Okay, so in which field you have got seat at IIT Bombay?
Yeah, IIT Bombay, actually in the offer letter it is not specified yet, but I am hoping I will be getting in aeroacoustics.
Okay, if you remember the name, which professor took your interview?
Professor, it was a panel, sir. Shukla sir was there. I just remember his name.
Nair sir was also there?
Nair sir, maybe, I'm not sure, and few more professors were there.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so also now during your GATE preparation, because many students will be thinking where to focus, where not to focus. See, my guidance is different, but if successful student is sitting in this video, even she has the same opportunity to discuss about. So question is, which subject you felt tough, which subject you felt easy, which subject you didn't touch, You didn't revise?
Okay.
Talk about that.
Actually, didn't revise part, I finished like the complete syllabus. I completed the whole syllabus except for the math few portions which I studied at the last. Other than that, all core subject I had finished because it was covered in your coaching. And coming to the favorite subject, propulsion was my favorite because gas dynamics also was included as a part of propulsion in the coaching. Good at solving propulsion problems, and for me, nightmare was structures. It is nightmare from my like college days. So I was very bad at structures. I was not able to solve like all these things. But later, actually in GATE, what happened, sir? I have solved most of the structures question than propulsion question. So it became like a contradictory thing. But structure was difficult for me, and aerodynamics and propulsion was easy. And propulsion was easy, aerodynamics was okay. Flight mechanics was okay. It was easy.
And also I want to say one thing, whenever a student is being successful, a student is definitely changing his or her life. A student is making parents proud. And with that, one small contribution, a student is also taking the coaching name from here to here. Along with that, all the teachers, whoever is supporting the student to be successful, they are teaching this much or this much or this much, emotional support, everything. She used to talk a lot about one professor from her college. When professor will see this video, even he will feel very good about her. She is being successful slowly now in life. Now I will talk about your study hours in, like when too much pressure was there for GATE exam. How many hours you used to study?
Okay, being like giving the right numbers. In the last month, okay, initial days, I joined the coaching late since the coaching had been started from the February month itself. I joined properly from August, if I'm not wrong, when I came back here for a JRF again. So from August to October, I mostly completed the notes and focused on finishing this syllabus rather than solving test series. After in the mid of November, when the revision classes had started, during that I solved few test series. And after that, December month, I completely invested myself. Like before that, it used to be 1 hour of class and 1 or 2 hours of note making of the syllabus just to finish that. I mostly focused myself in completing and understanding the concepts and noting down properly. And later in the month of December, I solved all the PYQs from whatever materials you had shared in Google Drive. And PYQs I kept on solving. During that time, I used to fix a clock, like this many hours I should finish. So it went from 7 to 8 hours sometimes. Only 1 month it was, like I should not brag about it.
Okay. And also once she was sitting in lab and she was revising something in propulsion. So that time she said that, sir, I'm about to start this velocity profile something.
Yes. Actually, yeah, I have to tell about the velocity profile. In my BTech, I'll tell the propulsion I learned was nothing. No problem solved, nothing. It was just theory, like types of ramjets, types of jet engines like ramjet, turbojet, whatever jet engine it was. So, and I still remember velocity triangle. We just had heard the name of what velocity triangle is, and that beta and all, like this comes. I didn't even know that forward blade, whatever blade, radial blade, nothing. It was like zero. So when when I did self study, I tried to study myself by seeing some YouTube videos, and it was like extremely difficult. But when you actually before seeing the video, because I had joined, by the time I joined, velocity triangle was over, but your videos were available. So before starting, I had asked sir, sir, I'm about to start velocity triangle. So he just took a piece of paper and explained me from very basic, like physics fundamentals, like what is relative velocity, a bicycle and a man moving, that rain, everything. Maybe if you see sir's video, you'll get to know. After I understood the concept, I felt so good. Like then I realized, I mean, I have joined the right class, right person. I should have joined earlier, but anyway, I'm lucky enough that at least I got.
And why I'm saying this example, because ये लड़की उस पेज को अपने किसी बुक में रखी हुई है.
I've taken a sign and kept it. Like I liked the concept so much. I had never understood what it was, but I really was able to understand.
Okay.
Like even if someone asks now, I'm in a position where I can tell them what it is. So don't ask questions.
क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेंगे हम. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चन. हम पूछेंगे तो फेल हो जाएगी.
पक्का.
Okay, so now Manisha, you tell us like what is the right time to start GATE preparation, and first year student should start, how should they plan, final year student how should they plan, discuss about preparation plan.
Okay, GATE preparation based on my calculation, I mean my personal experience. If you are from aero background, like 1 year preparation is fine, I feel it, but still depends on the student and their ability to grasp concepts and understand things. So, but if we follow your like 1 year routine, whatever you have classes from Feb to October where you finish the entire syllabus, and if we follow whatever the assignment you tell to complete on time, that will be like more than enough. So following your routine is what makes.
So guys, this was good journey here with Manisha, and she also helped me a lot during my MS work, and because of Manisha, because of my guide and all, my MS is also almost done. Thesis writing is going on.
I want to add one thing, sir. Because of your MS work and involving in that, it's more than help. It's like I was involved into work. So it gave me experience, and most of the questions from my IIT Bombay interview was based on this too. So I was able to answer because I had seen you discuss and see the problems and get the answers.
Yeah, actually, if you are working in some lab, like as a MS student or being JRF or SRF or something like that, then of course you should know what is your working. You should know what is your role, what is the work is going on. You should feel that. And also I want to tell you one thing. Joining MTech based on GATE rank is different scene. That admission is based on your score. But joining PhD is not about rank. You may have rank 40, but if rank 80%, ordinary rank 80% has given a good interview, then they will be getting seat. So PhD admission is not about first rank, second rank, 10th rank, 20th rank. Okay, PhD admission is about your that time, what kind of question you are getting and how are you facing the question and how are you replying. So that preparation you will do during GATE preparation. When you will prepare for GATE exam, either with me, my coaching or some other coaching or self-study, try to bring everything here and then everything on fingertips. Then only you can crack GATE exam. And many people are there, they are not getting good rank, they are having 400 rank, 300 rank, but still their concepts are good. Because they can do numerical mistake in the exam and they can get lower rank, but their concepts are good, so they can crack interview like this. So during this journey here at IIT Dharwad, for this almost roughly for 1 year you are here, Manisha?
Dharwad, yeah. Tomorrow it will be a 1 year.
Tomorrow it will be 1 year. So today is which date? 20th May?
19th May.
19th May, 20th May.
21st I joined here.
Okay. So it's been 1 year. In this 1 year, whatever like she has learned, I know when she joined the coaching, every day she was saying, sir.
I was really excited after learning each and every concept. I'm not just lying, sir, or bragging or whatever it is. I really mean it. And also one of the thing which actually like helped me be not nervous in a GATE during GATE exam was practicing formulas along with you. Like we used to sit in the same room, same chairs, so here, and we like almost a week before we used to like every day just revise, no new concept, revise the same thing, no problem solving, nothing, math and all the formulas and concepts. Because of that I remembered most of the formulas, everything were, so that helped me a lot.
So guys, if anything you want to know from Manisha, just write down your questions in comment box. In free time, Manisha or me, we will answer. And also If you don't know me, you're watching me for the first time by this video. She's Manisha and my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 8 times and I have also got first rank in MS interviews, and I'm about to finish my MS work from here. I joined my master degree very late because I was running my GATE coaching properly, and of course that is my sole job. So I'll be doing this permanently lifetime. So you can join me for upcoming GATE classes. So currently GATE 2026 batch is going on. You can join me there. Manisha, any last word?
Yes, sir. I have to. I was waiting actually, and a heartfelt thank for you. I mean, I'm extremely grateful for your concepts or whatever. I mean, even if I had not cleared the interview or if I would not have qualified GATE, I would still be grateful for all your concepts. I'm not just simply saying because you're sitting beside me. I would tell this to all my friends and everyone. Seriously, but
अभी रूम से बाहर जाएगी ना तो बोलेगी सर अच्छा बोले हैं
no,
पार्टी दीजिए.
no, I really mean it. I mean, like one of the best teachers. Seriously, sir.
So guys, ये बगल में बैठी है, डर लग रहा होगा इसको, अच्छी बातें कर रही है.
No, I'm not lying. I'm being 100% honest. Like all my credits, whatever this interview, everything was possible only because of you. Like it's not just you're with us only till the GATE exam. Even after the GATE exam, every day we were like prepare for interview, because I had already told my plans for not applying masters and directly PhD. And PhD, like most weightage is for interview rather than GATE. GATE will be like just the shortlisting criteria. Most of your performance is seen through this interview. So you have made me prepare like anything for interview.
This video is not about तारीफ.
No,
ये जो तारीफ कर रही है इसके लिए नहीं है.
No, but still I'm genuinely saying, I mean, I should get a platform to thank you somewhere. So yeah.
Okay guys, so thank you. Okay. So she gave me fees also, even though she is in my lab.
Sir, I am student, so that's.
So I told her कि नहीं, fees. Why fees is important? Because fees is also one kind of bonding. Okay, student will be serious regarding many things, and that is one kind of seriousness level what a student will be getting. Anyway, that is the secondary thing. I hope because whoever is qualifying from my coaching center, I am not getting chance to take to sit like this with every student and to talk about their journey at my coaching with me and my concepts and all those things. This time I have this chance, so I asked Manisha. So we are having this coffee. इसकी coffee ठंडी हो गई है.
Okay.
And one thing I want to tell you why things are being possible. The first very important thing is parents' sacrifices and their right direction about the kids and their dedication and sacrifices. Okay, if parents will not allow students to go here and there, choose your path, dare to dream in right direction, and then parents, if the parents will not send the money, the amount, and if the parents will not trust on the student that okay, take this bulk amount, go join that coaching, take this amount, join that college. So this is also a very big thing, because money what parents are sending to us, that is also very hard income, hard money. Some part of that money parents are sending to us and students are paying as a fees or paying here and there, lodging, fooding, everything. And then that's why I'm saying first congratulations goes to parents.
Great.
Right?
They also have understood, like whenever I said I want to do PhD, initially they were like 5 more years you want to study. And when I explained them, they were like very supportive. Even right now they are supportive. They didn't oppose. Even when I said I'll do GATE, they were like, okay, do it. And most of the time my father was like, okay, don't stress out, even if things doesn't go, you have JRF, while I was telling I have GATE exam. So parents are also more supportive. So I would like to thank them also, my sister too.
And also I want to tell one thing to you guys. Whenever you are joining any coaching center, actually this message is to owner and directors of the coaching center. Dear sir, whoever you are, make sure that student is like, your study material and your guidance, or if teachers are working under you, they are supporting the students. In my case, situation is different. I myself, I am the director, I am the owner, I am the teacher. So I take care students care from the ground, what the person is doing, what not doing, their daily routine. I ask them, send me, I change, I edit, I do, I send them, and we have group, and in that, like every day, like a younger brother, elder brother, that kind of relationship, and we maintain, and we do really good. So all those coaching centers, many coaching centers are doing good for GATE Aerospace, including my coaching center. But I also have some complaints from students who are shifting from other coaching center to my coaching center. Some stories are there that they are selling their courses in 5,000 rupees, and they are simply arranging NPTEL lectures, and those NPTEL lectures they are sharing as a 5,000 rupees with, along with some test series. No, please don't do all these things, because as I said, that money, that can be business for you, but that money can be only one time possible for the student who is preparing for GATE exam as a coaching. There is possibility, because I know some students, they came to me and they complained like this, sir, I wasted 15,000, 20,000 in that coaching. And so just that's all. I know many people are doing good out there. Many coaching centers are doing good out there. But still some complaints are there regarding many coaching centers. So because we are going to shape them, we are going to guide them. If we will do wrong at our scale, then students will be demotivated, and then they will be having fear to take next step. ओके पैसा बहुत दिक्कत से आता है. जो लोग भी पैसा कमाते हैं उनको उस पैसे से काट के अपने बच्चे को पैसा भेजना होता है. ठीक है, तो वो पैसा सही जगह पे जाए, जिसके पास भी जाए, मेरे पास आए या किसी के पास आए, उसका सही वैल्यू होना चाहिए, चाहे किसी भी कोचिंग सेंटर में जाए. सो आई थिंक दिस इंटरव्यू इज ऑलरेडी अबाउट टू like half an hour, so we'll stop this. Manisha, best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
I want her to see, I want her to be like इसरो की चेयरमैन बने, DRDO की चेयरमैन बने. ठीक है, अभी जैसे सोमनाथ सर थे वैसे ये बने, क्योंकि बीटेक इसका हुआ, शी डिड बीटेक. आफ्टर बीटेक शी जॉइन डायरेक्ट PhD एट IIT बॉम्बे. सो शी विल बी हैविंग लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ये अगर पोस्ट डॉक करती है तो ये कहीं दूर जाके MIT, नासा, इसरो, यहाँ वहाँ पे जाकर के अपना झंडा गाड़े और देश का, पेरेंट्स का और अपना सब कुछ ठीक करे, और एरोस्पेस के वर्ल्ड में नया मतलब क्रांति लेके आए और एरोस्पेस को और बेटर बनाए. थैंक यू मनीषा अगेन.
Sure, sir. I hope I'll do that.
Okay guys, thank you all.